So I messed up. Yeah, this Physalis was a big, beautiful plant, and all I wanted to do was add some supports to it. And as I was picking it up, just lightly, gently, I swear it was gently, I snapped it. And of course, we tried to tape it back together to hope it would grow back together somehow, but no such luck. Let's see how far along the fruits were. Not very, but yeah, they were on their way, but not quite. My wife was very, very sad, as was I. Unfortunately, didn't get that on video. At least it would have been a sad, funny story to have fully on video, but yeah, be very careful with your Physalis. Again, I do not know what these are called in English, but Physalis is the German term. Such a friggin' bummer. So, she's gonna go to the compost pile. And she will help the new Physalis grow next year. Sad day. So, because I broke the other Physalis plant, I have to plant these other two. I'm going to plant them in the pot that the big one was in. Not sure how well that's going to work, but it should be okay. The unfortunate thing is they already have some fruits on them, so I'm not sure how much bigger they're actually going to get after the transplant. That is root bound as it could possibly be. We'll see what happens here. Okay, one down, one to go. This one has all kinds of fruits coming in on it already. So, not sure how well that's going to do either, but we'll find out. This one's gonna be crazy root bound too. hell of a root ball. All right. I hope they get a lot bigger, because the one I broke was massive. So my wife was not very happy about that. Neither was I, but what do you do? Watered it. Always water in your transplant. That's it. Not bad. Not bad. I hope they get bigger.